My name is Hunter Olson. I'm a field service engineer. The service guys are called in when the machine itself is acting up and there's something wrong that their guys on site can't fix. They would call us in to come take a look and see if we can figure out what's wrong. Or really when there's any kind of routine maintenance that needs to be done on it. We're able to create value using forest assets by offering quick response to mills that need service. The longer a mill's down, the more pain it is for them to obviously make a product, and so being able to respond quickly and in a timely manner is kind of crucial for their ability to produce a quality product. Especially with Raute, people don't want to buy a product if their service guys are in a different country. A response time would be a nightmare. So if you have a serious problem, having a location here is a quick, easy access to somebody who can help you with your issues.